Hey everyone, we're Prachi and Harsh and we have a really fun day planned ahead of us.
Since it's been pouring outside, we decided why not just stay at home and have a fun date and reconnect with each other. So we've decided to just go around the house, do some things that we enjoy. And yeah, welcome to this video and keep on watching. So I got this idea from a friend where she keeps a box of things handy for her whenever she's running out of ideas and is bored at home. So I thought it would be fun for Harsh and I to assemble our own box. This one is empty right now, it has nothing. So we're gonna run around the house and grab things that we like. And we'll just pick things out of it and have our date today. Let's go.
It's raining outside so chai to banta hai.
Okay, all of this goes in the box. Okay, so this box is shaping up to be really fun. We've got some cool things to keep us company today. We've got a big throw blanket. We've got some snacks.
We got tea and we also have Uno.
And we have some skincare to do. What else do you think we might need?
What do you think about painting?
That'd be fun.
Yeah, let's do it. I think we're all set to go now.
So we've assembled this fun box of things to do today. What is the first one we should do?
I think let's start with chai.
Oh yeah, let's make some tea. This weather demands it. Now comes my most favorite part of the video. I love doing my skincare and I love doing it even more with Harsh. We're gonna start our whole routine with washing our faces and cleaning it up. We're using the Clinique face wash first. Let's do it.
Now that we're done with the face wash, it's time for the face mask. Face masks are on and it's time to play some Uno. Change the color. I just keep looking. What? That was so quick.
Number 3 in the routine is this AYURVEDA rose water. I love how it smells and it just wakes me up. Now I love it.
Oh wow, it smells so good.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay, next up is this moisturizer by Clinique. It's literally my favorite one. It's almost empty. I have to get a new one.
Thankfully, the Monsoon Love sale is on, so I'm going to restock on all my beauty favorites. Make sure you don't miss out on the offers.
Oh, this one just like is makhan for your skin. It just absorbs so nicely and sits so nice on the skin. Doesn't feel greasy at all. Love it. Love this one. And to bring you the benefits of sunscreen, Harsh is going to tell us why it's important to apply sunscreen.
I will prepare. You need to apply sunscreen to protect yourself from the harmful radiations of the sun, and also when you're not under exposure of the sun, you still need sunscreen because there is some UV rays which is in the air which will come and affect your skin negatively.
Perfect. 10 on 10 answer. Is it all done?
Done?
Yes.
And to finish off with our skincare, just applying some lip balm to hydrate our lips. Okay, that's it. So what next?
I think painting is left.
Oh yeah, let's do that.
And that was all for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for spending the day with us.
Please don't forget to like and share this video and also subscribe to the SSBeauty YouTube channel.
We'll see you next time.
See ya!